Hi guys, Audrey and Al here. We're here with Miss Dayton. So first things first, what did you think about the installation process and or the customer service?
Everything went very well. Very professional group. They were here on time, did exactly what they told us they would do, and I was very pleased, very pleased.
So out of all of the roofing companies that you could have chosen, why did you choose Gator Metal Roofing?
Well, actually, we had some water damage, and we were shopping around and saw their ad on television. The financing was really what I was looking for. They were able to work with us to get a good payment schedule, and everything was great.
What do you think are some of the advantages of having a Gator Metal roof?
Having a metal roof, if there is wind damage or any rain damage, my home will be protected. And with the hurricanes and things like that, I'm glad that I do have the metal roofing. So when the bad weather starts to come, I won't have to worry about any leaks or anything like that. I just like it because it's pretty. It looks really good, and I won't have to worry about any maintenance or fading. So I'm not expecting to have any issues or anything. And if I do, I know I can call you guys and it'll get taken care of.
We definitely thank you for choosing Gator Metal Roofing, and thank you so much.